lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? I'm on the Harley. Haven't been able to ride in about a month. The weather has just been shit here, and I probably should be riding today. It's like 65 degrees, but the wind is blowing 35 to 45, gusting up to 65. And I was like, ah, fuck it, I'm riding. Anyways, it's gonna be a bit of a long one, so I'm gonna jump into it. I said I wasn't gonna do any more shout out videos because last time I did shout out videos, people got butthurt because I wasn't shouting them out. Like, why aren't you shouting me out? Yada yada yada. So I said I wasn't gonna do it anymore. But here recently, I think I've got shout out in a couple different people's videos, so I figure out what the hell I'll do it. And plus, I'm pretty much scraping the bottom of the barrel for fucking content. It's the end of the year. Riding season's basically done, especially for me. But figure out what the hell I'm gonna ride today. It's kind of chilly though. Uh-oh, let me fix my crotch cam. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some shout outs. I've got them on my phone here, so now everybody knows my passcode. Shit, I can't see shit. Because it's so windy, I'm gonna go ahead and take the back roads now instead of going way up there and taking back roads. Let me turn my screen up so I can actually see what's going on. Okay, so my first shout out is gonna go to Sinister Clutch. He had been following me on Instagram a while. I believe I was following him back, but I hadn't really paid too much attention to the fella until he came to Missouri. I didn't get a chance to ride with him. He was down south, but hopefully he gets to come back soon, and I can take him and show him some of the really nice roads and stuff we have here to ride on. So Sinister Clutch. My next shout out is going to go to PSP Tommy G. Me and him talk a lot on Instagram. He sends me messages, funny memes and shit all the fucking time. Always cracking me up. In a chat with him with a shit ton of other people about the meetup at the Tail of the Dragon here next June. I'm sure a lot of people already know about that. If you don't know PSP Tommy G, go over Instagram, hit him up, hit up his YouTube. He's a really cool dude. Next one, a local guy. Doesn't live in Missouri, but I don't hold that against him. Chopper Fett. If you don't know who Chopper Fett is, you need to. Same thing. Go check out his Instagram. Go check out his YouTube. He does review videos of products, stuff like that. Rides a dyno lowrider. Pretty cool guy. Haven't had a chance to ride with him yet. He only lives about 45 minutes from me, but I still haven't had a chance to ride with him yet. Next one, I've shouted this man out a few times, and I'm going to continue to. Old Donna Main. I know a lot of you know Donna. Y'all see him in side chat, stuff like that. Just got done. Well, I don't know if he's done. He might still have some few more videos to load up, but he's loaded up quite a few videos. He's got to go out and test ride a bunch of the 2020 BMW models, 2021 models maybe. I'm not sure. I've only watched 2 of the ones that he uploaded so far. But Donna Main's a good dude. Very supportive. Hell of a guy. Rides a Ducati Monster. And that makes one reason why I like him, because that's my dream bike. God, that fucking wind is crazy. What road is closed? What road is closed? I guess no road is closed. Okay, next feller. Freedom Rider. I'm sure a lot of y'all know Freedom Rider. Lives in Florida. He has 2 bikes. One of them is a shovelhead, I believe. The other one is a newer street glide, road glide. I don't care because I hate those bikes. But he does ride a shovelhead, if I'm not mistaken. It's a nice ass bike, good looking bike. Puts out some pretty good videos down there in Florida. If you don't know who he is, go over check him out. And as always, everybody, I will never tell you to go subscribe to these people. Never. But I will tell you to go check them out, see what you feel like, and then subscribe if you want to. Alright, now I'm going to hit a couple guys, a few people here from my great state of Missouri. Both of them are down in the Ozarks. We'll start off with Ozarks HD Riders. I watch several of their videos. They go and hang out at a Harley Davidson dealership that I've actually been to down the Ozarks. I've only been there once, never gone back. I don't make it down to the Ozarks very often. It's about a 3-hour ride for me, but it's wonderful riding down there. So go over, check them out. Check out their Instagram, check out their YouTube. And you know, I always say, well, I'm gonna link their stuff or I'm gonna show their stuff. We all know I'm not. I'm not going to. It takes so much work. I might. We'll see. If you see everybody's stuff up there, then I did it. If you don't see everybody's stuff up there, then I didn't do it. Okay. The other one is riding in the Ozarks. Great channel, great content. Also has a shit, I can't remember what they ride. Damn it. But they've actually got to meet up a lot. I think Home Bees came to town. They all got to meet up together with shit, I can't remember if it was Ozarks HD or if it was right in the Ozarks. Damn it. My memory sucks today. Shit. Anyways, as always, Instagram, YouTube, check them out. You like them, follow them, subscribe to them, all that other fun stuff. Alright, now, last one I'm doing today, doing this video. Probably gonna be the last one I do for a very long time, because I hate doing shout out videos. The man, the myth, the I almost said lesbian. Whoa, he is a lesbian. He likes them girls. The man, the myth, the oh wait. Pull the cobwebs out. Okay, so back to it. I'm done fucking around. Y'all see him in the fucking side chats, I hangouts all the time. One of my really great friends. We talk just about daily. I say daily, I mean nightly. And a private hangout with Dark Zero and Jester on 2. What? Mothman 46. Now, he rides an H2. He does not make motovlogs yet. Still trying to get him to do it. He is set up for it. He's been having a little bit of audio issues while he was trying to set it up. Hopefully you have it worked out for next spring. He can actually make some motovlogs, but mainly what he does right now is drone videos. And his drone videos are pretty badass if you guys are into that. So go over to Mothman. He loves putting up memes on Instagram, so go check out Mothman's Instagram. Go check out his YouTube channel. If you like good drone videos, hit him up. He does a wonderful job. And that wind is blowing hard as fuck. I hope my audio ain't fucked on this. That wind is blowing so hard. I mean, I'm leaning pretty far into that corner, and it wasn't enough almost. The wind is blowing. Alright, so anyways, that's the end of this shout out video. I know y'all are going to be able to kind of tell that I really wasn't super excited about doing it, because I hate doing shout out videos, but it's hard for me not to when other people shout me out. I can't really justify it. So go check everybody out I mentioned. Fuck off, phone. Like I said, I might put everybody's stuff up in there. I might not. We'll see. It's kind of a bitch to do. And I usually don't have much time to edit. I'm a busy man. Why are you on your brakes? Oh, you're going to firing range, aren't you? So, as always, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new here, it'd be awesome if you subscribed. Check out a few of the other videos. Make sure you leave a comment. And if you want to, share it around. I will see you in the next one. So, as always, dream about me. And I will catch you on the flip side.